Before we dive deep, remember this isn't financial advice. The crypto market is highly volatile, and you could lose money. Always do your own research and invest responsibly. The whispers started quietly, a ripple in the digital ocean, then a surge. A sudden, undeniable roar. Kaspa, the sleeping giant, just made a move that sent shockwaves across the crypto landscape. A 16% daily surge, reclaiming that crucial $2 billion market cap mark. But what if I told you? This isn't just a random pump. What if the real story is far more profound? What if something fundamental is shifting right under our noses? Get ready, because we're about to uncover the truth behind Kaspa's explosive comeback, and what it could mean for your portfolio. This is not just a price movement, it's a mystery, and we're about to solve it. Alright fam, welcome back to the channel. Today we're not just talking about another coin pumping, we're dissecting a phenomenon. If you've been following the market, you know it's been, well, let's just say uncertain. Bitcoin's been consolidating, altcoins have been a mixed bag, and frankly, a lot of people were starting to write off some of the newer, innovative projects. But then, there's Kaspa. Just look at this. Kaspa didn't just bounce back, it launched itself. We're talking about a move from around a $1.6 billion market cap, which felt like a significant dip after its early 2024 highs, to a resounding $2.02 billion in what felt like the blink of an eye. This wasn't a gentle recovery. It was a sharp, almost aggressive V-shaped reversal. Now some of you might be thinking, okay great, another altcoin pump, what's the big deal? And that's fair. But here's where it gets interesting and frankly a little bit suspenseful, because while the price action itself is eye-catching, it's what's happening behind the scenes that truly tells the story. Think of it like this. When people want to sell their crypto, what do they usually do? They move it to exchanges, right? Ready to offload it for profit or to cut their losses? But what if that inventory is shrinking? What if the supply on the shelves is dwindling, even as demand starts to creep up? This is where the plot thickens. This isn't just a small dip. We're talking about a consistent, year-long trend where KS holders have been pulling their coins off exchanges. From over 3.1 billion coins in mid-2024, we're now looking at under 2.3 billion in June 2025. What does this tell us? It means the vast majority of Kaspa holders aren't in a hurry to sell. They're not getting shaken out by market volatility. In fact, it suggests a profound level of conviction. This isn't retail panic selling. This is institutional-grade patience, or perhaps something even more strategic. Because when you combine a sharp price recovery with a steadily decreasing supply on exchanges, you create a powerful market dynamic. It's the classic setup for what traders call quiet accumulation. Okay, let's break down the technicals here. Kaspa's market cap just blew through resistance zones at $1.75 billion and $1.85 billion with almost no hesitation. If this momentum holds, and honestly I believe it can, the next immediate targets are staring us in the face, between $2.10 billion and $2.20 billion. But here's the kicker. The element that makes this surge so compelling, there has been no confirmed major news driving this rally. This lack of a clear external catalyst forces us to consider deeper, more speculative factors. Or, could it be a sentiment rotation? Perhaps institutional players or even large individual investors are shifting their focus from other, more saturated assets. And Kaspa, with its unique BlockDAG technology, its fair launch principles, no pre-mine, no private sales, pure proof of work, and its ambitious scalability roadmap is finally getting the attention it deserves. For those unfamiliar, a short squeeze happens when a crypto's price jumps sharply, forcing traders who bet against it, short sellers, to buy back the asset to limit their losses. This buying frenzy further pushes the price up, creating a cascade. The divergence we're seeing, falling supply on exchanges against a recovering price, is a textbook indicator for a potential supply squeeze. The crucial levels to watch now are the $1.9 billion market cap as strong support. We need to hold that. The underlying dynamics, the fierce loyalty of its holders evident in the dwindling exchange supply, combined with this powerful technical recovery, are painting a very bullish picture. Kaspa's BlockDAG architecture, allowing for near-instant confirmations and high throughput, is a genuinely groundbreaking innovation in the blockchain space. Could we see some pullbacks? Absolutely, this is crypto after all. So, the narrative is really shifting here. From what used to be seen as just a struggling altcoin to now, a project that's showing some serious underlying strength and growing momentum. We're not just talking about reclaiming those old highs anymore. Honestly, we're talking about setting entirely new benchmarks. If we get a clear break right there, then well, we might just be witnessing the start of Kaspa's true breakout year. Hey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Let me know in the comments. Are you accumulating Kaspa? What are your price targets? Let's keep this conversation going. Until next time, stay safe out there and happy trading.